In other electoral updates, it is going to be Narendra versus Narendra in Vadodara. The Congress has decided to field Narendra Rawat, who won the primary for the Lok Sabha seat. Rawat will take on BJP's PM nominee Narendra Modi in the upcoming elections on the 30th of April.
They share the same name, but that's where their similarities end. While one has his eyes set on the top post, the other will be fighting it out against BJP stalwart. Vadodara braces itself as BJP PM nominee Narendra Modi gets set to lock horns with Congress candidate Narendra Rawat.
जो अभी बड़ौदा शहर में चुनाव लड़ने आ रहे हैं, हमारी चैलेंज है 30 अप्रैल को लोग बताएंगे कि चुनाव कैसे लड़ा जाता है.
Confident of a victory, the Congress novice elected through the primaries concept introduced by Rahul Gandhi boasts of strong credentials of grassroots activism.
It's Narendra versus Narendra in Vadodara. BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi up against Congress greenhorn Narendra Rawat. While for one, the seat was for him to choose from any across the country, for the other, it was a struggle through the primaries. Though the result of the contest is known even before the first ballot is polled, Congress might draw some solace from the fact that its candidate came through a democratic process.
Raising his poll pitch, Narendra Rawat questions Modi's contribution to his constituency.
मेरा ये कहना है, आप बड़ौदा आके देखिए, नरेंद्र मोदी का सांघाई कैसा है. जिस तरह से बड़ौदा शहर की हालत है, आप देख के हमको शर्म आती है.
But the BJP is confident of a landslide win for their PM nominee.
देश में हाईएस्ट रिकॉर्ड से यहां से चुनाव जिताना है, क्योंकि पिछले कई सालों से 3 साल से लगातार मैं उनसे विनती करता था कि अगर दिल्ली जाना है तो बड़ौदा से जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि बड़ौदा की सीट ऐसी कि वहां जो चाहे वो निर्णय भाजपा ले सकती है.
Will Narendra Rawat manage to hold ground against BJP's heavyweight? Is Narendra Modi in for a surprise? Bureau Report, Times Now.